So we are doing some revision questions based on MCQ questions based on the second chapter. Our last question is, which one is the last question?
Ma'am,
Okay, Gauri.
is this portion included for term
Yes,
one?
yes. Our portion is same. First and second chapter is same, and it is included in the term one. Okay.
Ma'am, what about networking and database?
Networking is in the term two session. Data, database, SQL, networking, all are in the second term. In first term, we need only Python. First 4 chapters are included in Python, from Python. That is, I will just mention the chapters. That is, for term 1, chapter 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 also there. 4, 6 and 7 is not included in our syllabus. In new syllabus, 3 chapters are eliminated, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. And so for term 1, it is chapter 1, 2, 3, 5. That 4 chapters. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then all the communication networking, then database, SQL, interface Python with MySQL, table creation, all the sections are included in term 2. Okay. So there is no change in our syllabus of test, next coming test. Okay, there is no change. The first and second chapter is already included in term 1, so there is no change in our portion. Okay. Then we have a project also. You want to submit the synopsis of project in term 1. Okay, I will explain the content of project and after the term exam I will explain. Next week I will explain how we can handle one project based on Python. Okay, there is no need of submitting the coding in term 1. You want to submit the synopsis. That means which project you want to do and which are the main concepts we are using in that project. Just like that, only theoretical part of project. That is included in term 1. And for practical side, we have some programs, 15 programs based on Python are also included for term 1. Okay. That is the term 1 division. And second, okay, Truth?
Actually, it was like database for term 1 and Python for term 2, right?
No, it is database is in the term 2 section. Actually, these last chapters, that is not a problem. In our syllabus, CBSE's, according to CBSE's manual, term 1 include 4 chapters, that is 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. All the other chapters are for term 2. And the programs based on SQL is included in the second term 2 practical exam. Okay. That SQL based queries, all the queries based on SQL are included in term 2 practical exam. Okay, 5 or 6, 4 or 5 Python program plus SQL queries. That is the practical for term 2. Okay, is it clear? I will explain. Once again, any doubt regarding this term 1, term 2 syllabus? No. Okay. So the last question. One list is there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want to remove 3 from that list. Okay. Which is the option? 5 options. Only 4 options are there for your exam. Here we are giving 5 options. In your exam, only 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are there. You want to pick out the correct one. Okay. Then, which one is the correct answer? A, it is DL A of 2, A of 2, 3 is equal to empty list, A of 2, 2 is equal to empty list, A of 2 is equal to empty list, A dot remove of 3. What is the function of remove of 3? Ashwin, Alvin, Aryan, switch on the video. Dia, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I divide the options.
Okay, okay. Write the option. DL A of 2.
Ma'am, can you write it on the board?
Okay, okay, okay. List it is A of list it is A of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to remove 3 from it. The first option it is DL A of 2. Then 1, 2, it is A of 2, 3, which is equal to empty bracket. A of 2, 2, which is equal to empty bracket. Fourth one, it is A of 2, which is equal to empty bracket. Fifth one, it is A dot remove of 3. In DL function, we will write the index. So here the index it is 2, A of 2. These three are wrong statement. Okay. What about the first and last one? In these three option, is there any doubt? No. What about the first and fifth one? What is the meaning of, what is the definition of remove? Achyut, what is remove? Srihari? Okay, Achyut.
Removes the list.
Removes the,
Ma'am, whichever element you're saying removes.
what Achyut?
Ma'am, whichever index number you're specifying, it will remove the value.
Index number in the case of remove.
No, ma'am, delete
First occurrence.
A2.
First occurrence. Remove is used to delete the first occurrence of that particular value. Okay, that is the use of remove. Then what is, okay.
What about the first option? DLA2.
DLA2 is the correct option. What about the last one? What is the error in that last one? Srihari?
I don't know.
Okay. So you check the two result. Using the compiler, you check the two result, delete A of 2 and A dot remove 3 and find out the result in the next class. Okay. So we are moving to the next question. One question is the
1 and 5 is correct, right?
1 and 5. I think 1 and 5 is correct. You check it in the compiler. Okay. So here one question is there, this one. With reference to the code, okay, the question is, Write the question. The first code it is library equal to book, and what is the second statement? That is, read the second statement. Anyone?
Somewhere.
Library equal to book after that? Diya?
Library dot pop to.
Library dot pop of 2. Okay. Print. Library is the first one. Print.
Print library.
Library. Okay. Print library. After that, print book. That is the first one. Then second one it is library is equal to book dot copy. Then library dot pop of 2 print library and print book. Which are the contents of library? Achyut, read the contents of library.
Book, ma'am.
From the first question. What is the contents of library? I think one.
Ma'am, from the first dictionary,
Yes, first dictionary.
one thriller,
Okay. Thriller. Then
mystery,
2 mystery,
three crime,
3 crime.
four child stories. Ma'am, we changed crime to crime thriller.
Okay. 4 is there. Then after that book. First one is the book, isn't it? Then, which are the contents of book?
No, ma'am, this were the contents of book.
Oh, this is the contents of book. Okay. Book. So library it is 5 and 6. Isn't it, Achut?
Ma'am, I did not write down libraries.
Okay. Library it is 5 and 6. Book it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Library it is 5 and 6. Okay. You write the contents of library also. The first dictionary it is book. It is 1 thriller, 2 mystery, 3 crime, 4 children's stories. Library it is 5 diaries, 6 Malgudi days. Okay. So here, library equal to book. The meaning of library equal to book means I am assigning the values of book to library. So I will replace all these values, the 5 and 6 with these 4 values. So the content of book and library is same after executing library is equal to book. Okay. After executing library equal to book, the meaning of library equal to book is the content of book is assigned to library, means all the values of all the 2 values 5 and 6 are replaced with 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after executing this first statement, book content is this one, it is same as library. Library content is also same. There is no dictionary like this. That is the meaning of library equal to book. Means we are giving one more name library to the content of book. Okay. That is, content of book is assigned to library. So all the contents of, that is 5 and 6 is replaced with 1 to 4 values. So after library equal to book statement, if I will give a statement like this, print library, what is the content of print library, Gauri?
There is no dictionary like that.
No, the content of library it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This 5 and 6 is removed. Instead of that 5 and 6, the values of book is assigned. That is the meaning of library equal to book. Okay, library equal to book means the content of book is assigned to library. So all the values 5 and 6 is removed and the new values 1, 2, 3 and 4 is replaced here. So the content of book is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the content of library also 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the meaning of library equal to book. Is it clear, Gauri?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain with, okay. The content of book it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 with some value, 2 with some value, 3 with some value and 4 with some another value. Okay. And library, the current value of library it is 5, some values are there, 6, some values are there. Okay. Is it clear? Then after that I am giving a statement like this, library equal to book. The meaning of library equal to book is, we are assigning some, what is the meaning of x is equal to 10? 10 is assigned to x, no? Just like that, the content of book, here we are giving the dictionary name, means content of dictionary book is assigned to library. Okay. So if x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5, I am giving x is equal to y. Okay, x is equal to 10, what is the meaning of x is equal to 10? The value of x is 10. Then after that value of y it is y. After that I am giving a statement x is equal to y. What will happen? What will happen? Anyone?
X will be 5.
Y is assigned to x means 5 is assigned to x. Current value of x it is 10, it is removed and this 5 is assigned to x. That is the meaning of x is equal to y. Okay, that is the current value of x it is 10, that 10 is removed. All of you switch on the video. The 10 is removed and this 5 is assigned to x. So after executing x is equal to y, the value of x becomes 5. Ashwin, switch on the video. Okay. So here the content of book it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Content of library it is 5, 6. We are giving a statement library is equal to book. That means content of book is assigned to library. So all these values, that is 5 and 6 are removed and it is replaced with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So the current value of library it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it clear, Ashwin? Then what is the result of print library after library equal to book?
What about 5 and 6 then?
5 and 6 are removed.
1, 2, 3, 4, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, Ashwin. So the content of library is removed and the new values are updated. New values are assigned to library. That is the meaning of library is equal to book.
Ma'am,
Okay, Gauri.
On library, not only the key, right? Values are also included, right?
Yes, the values are also deleted. All the values are deleted. Here, thriller is there. Thriller, 2 mystery, 3 something is there, and 4 something is there. Okay. Is it clear, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the content of book is assigned to library. So the previous values are deleted from library and the new values, that is the values of book, is assigned to library. So after executing library is equal to book, the content of library it is 1 thriller, 2 mystery, 3 something, 4 something. Okay. After that, I'm executing the statement library dot pop of 2. What is the meaning of pop of 2? Pop is used to delete a value from the dictionary. What is this 2?
Right.
2 is the index value or key value. Okay. Pop 2 means pop is a function used for deletion, and for deleting we are using the key value here. For pop function we are using key value here, so 2 is the key value. So from the library dictionary we are deleting the key 2. Here it is library.pop. So from the library I am deleting the key 2. Which one is the key 2? I think 2 mystery. Okay, so 2 mystery is deleted from this library. Okay. So first I assign the content of book to library. So the previous content of library is removed, deleted, and the new values are assigned to library. The new values are 1, 2, 3 and 4 with some data values, thriller, mystery, something like that. Okay. And after that the statement it is library.pop of 2. Pop of 2. Pop means it is used for deletion, for deleting a value. For this pop function, we are using key along with this pop function. So I am giving 2 is the key value. So key value 2 is deleted from the library. So after that, which one is the print statement? Print library. Print library. Okay, print library means the value that is 1, 3 and 4 is displayed. Okay, then what about print book?
The same as before.
Same as the previous output, that is here also this 2 is deleted because we are giving the same name, that is we are giving a duplicate name for book, that is library equal to book. That is the meaning of this library equal to book. Library equal to book means we are assigning the values of book to library. That means the content is same and we are giving 2 names for this content. The first name it is book and second name it is library. Okay, this is the meaning of this library equal to book means for same content we are giving 2 names. For book we are giving another name, that is library. Okay. So here after deleting content we are giving the statement like library.pop of 2. We are deleting a value from library, but it is automatically deleted from book also. If the statement is library equal to book. If the statement is library equal to book, we are deleting a value from library, but it is automatically deleted, the value is from book also. So the result of print library it is 134. The result of book is also, the result is 134. Is it clear, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So library equal to book means we are giving one more name for book, that is library. So if you are deleting a value from book or library, the result will display in both the books, both the dictionaries. That is, I am deleting from library, but this 2 is automatically deleted from book also, because we are pointing the same value with different name, book and library after executing this statement, library equal to book. Okay. Then I am explaining the second one. Here it is library equal to book dot copy. What is the meaning of that? Library equal to book dot copy. Means book is there, the original content of book is there. I am taking one copy from there and assigning the values into library. So book and library is not same. It is in 2 different memory location. Book dot copy means I am taking one copy from book and assigning it into library. So book is different, library is different, but the content is same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So after executing library dot to pop 2, okay, Achut?
And so when we are giving us copy, if we make any change in library, it won't get affected in book, right?
It will not affect book. Okay, book dot copy means if we give any changes in library, it will affect library only. It will not affect book. If we are giving book dot copy. If it is library equal to book, it is 2 are same, so it will affect the 2 dictionaries. So library equal to book dot copy, a copy of book is assigned to library, so the original is there, and library content is same as that of book. But if there is a change in library, it will not affect the content of book. If it is book dot copy. So here what is the result of print library? It is 1, 3, 4. Krishna, what is the result of print book?
1, 3, 4 is
1, 3, 4 is same. Then what is book dot copy? Here it is same. I am asking about this portion. Okay, book dot copy means we are taking one copy from book and assigning into library. So if you are using book dot copy, if any changes happened in library, it will not affect this book. So we are eliminating 2 from library, but it will not affect the book because we are using the copy. So what is the result of print book?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Some content is there. I am not writing the value data part. I am just writing the key value. The output section you write 1, what is the value? 3, what is the value? 4, what is the value? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 is the result. Is it clear, Shivani? Alvin, switch on the video. Okay. Is it clear, Alvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I am using 2 different statements. First one, it is library equal to book. The difference is between these statements. Here I am using copy. Here I am using original. So here library equal to book. If there is any change in library, it will affect book also. If there is any change in book, it will affect library also. Okay. If the statement is library equal to book. Then in the case of library equal to book dot copy, we are using the copy. So original, there is no difference in the content of book. If we are changing the content of library, it will not affect the book. Okay. That is the difference between library equal to book and library equal to book.copy. Any doubt regarding this book.copy and library equal to book? So write the next question. Next period we want to take the next new chapter. So we can do some more question based on this. And these are the options. Some options are code 1 option, code 2 option. Again, second option it is the first option, code 1 result, code 2 result. Then second option it is code 1, code 2. Then third option, just like that, you want to select the correct option. Okay. You have the following code segments. String 1 is equal to my, string 2 is equal to work. Print string 1 plus string 2. Here, the S is capital, okay. String 2 S is capital, okay. Rewrite small letter S as capital letter S. In all section, S is capital. You have the following code segments. String 1 is equal to my, string 2 is equal to work. Print string 1 plus string 2. What is the output of this code? What is the output? What's the use of IDN? What is the use of plus? Based on string? Join. Then what is the result of the first question? My work is the answer. There is no need of writing the option. You just write the question and answer. Okay. So, string 1 plus string 2. String 1 it is my. String 2 it is work. So, we are joining these two strings. String 1 plus string 2. So, the result it is my work. Then what about the second one? String 1 plus string 2 dot upper.
Ma'am,
Okay, Gauri.
ma'am, C is the answer, right?
C is the answer. Here the first one there is a space. Okay. In first option A, my space work. So it is not the correct answer. C is the answer, my work without space. Then what about the second question? String 1 it is my, string 2 it is work. Print string 1 plus string 2 dot upper. Here also S is capital. String 2 dot upper. What is the use of upper?
Conversion to uppercase.
Conversion to uppercase. Ashwin, what is the answer? Which option is correct?
C, ma'am.
C, correct answer. That is string 2 dot upper means string 2 is work. Work is converted to uppercase. Okay. So my is same. So small letter my. Then work is converted to capital letter work. So the result it is my work capital. Here first one it is all small letter, second one it is first thing it is capital, it is not correct. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Then the next one, which line of code produces an error?
Ma'am, can you show the last page?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, which line of code produces an error? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. In the case of string concatenation, we are discussing some points related with this. I think Achud is asking some doubts about that portion. Which line of code produces an error?
Ma'am, is it D?
Yes, D is the correct answer. Why, Gauri?
We cannot add a string and integer.
Yes, here we are adding one string value and integer value. It is not possible. We can use two string values. It is for concatenation. 1 plus 2, the result is 1, 2. And here we are using two integer value, 1 plus 2. The answer it is 3. Here also I am using 1, it is the string value, 2, it is not an integer value because we are using double quotes. So 2 is considered as string. What is the result of this third one, Shivani? What is the result of that third one, 1 plus 2? Yes, Shivani? It's not clear, Shivani? Okay, Manuel, what is the result of C?
1, 2.
1, ONE 1, along with 1, the integer 2. That is the answer. But here we are using one string and one integer. It is not possible in the case of concatenation operator. Okay, that is the answer. D is the correct option. Then write the fourth one. What will be the output generated by the following snippet? Here there is no option. Option is there. I am not writing the option. A is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. K is equal to 1. I is equal to A of 1 plus 1. J is equal to A of 2 plus 1. M is equal to A of K plus 1. Print I, J, M. What is A of 1? Srihari, what is A of 1?
10.
A of 1, it is 10. That is, the index value is starting from 0. So, the index of 5, it is 0. 10, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, A of 1, it is 10. So, 10 plus 1, it is 11. Anyone read the answer? Ashwin, read the answer. Ashwin? Ashwin, Krishna, Srihari, switch on the video. There is no need of using the compiler for finding the output, okay? You just find out the result after calculation, okay? Ashwin?
11, ma'am.
11. Then what about the J value?
16.
16, then M?
10.
10. Any other answer? Achud, read the answer. Print IJM.
11, 16,
15. Okay. Aditya, read the answer.
Ma'am, 11, 16, 15.
11, 16, 15. Any other answer? Dia, your answer is same.
11, 16, 15.
Okay. So, Ashwin, I will explain this statements. That is, k is equal to 1, I is equal to a of 1. A of 1 it is 10, 10 plus 1 it is 11. Okay. Then after that, j is equal to a of 2. A of 2 it is 15, 15 plus 1 it is 16. After that, m is equal to a of k plus 1. What is k? K it is 1, 1 plus 1 it is 2. So, a of 2. What is a of 2? A of 2 it is 15. Okay. So, the answer is 11, 16 and 15. Is it clear, Ashwin? Okay. So, write the next statement. What will be the output when the following code is executed? What will be the output when the following code is executed? String 1 is equal to hello world. String 1 colon minus 1. Emmanuel, read the result.
Ma'am, instead of hello world -1 or error.
No, this is slicing. Within square bracket, we are giving some start value, colon, stop value, colon, step value.
Yes, yes.
You check it in the note and say the correct answer. This is slicing, string slicing. Aryan, read the result. Okay, I will explain. What, Emmanuel?
1.
No. Any other answer?
Ma'am, is it D?
No. Hello world is the string. Okay. We are using, it is str1, I think so. Okay. str1 within bracket -1. In slicing, we are using start value, colon stop value, then step value. This is the slicing method. Stop is compulsory. We can avoid this start and step. Okay. So here it is -1, it is the stop value. Okay. We are in slicing, we are not including stop value till stop value. That is till -1. How we can index this hello world in forward indexing? Emmanuel, how we can index this string using forward indexing?
1, 2, 3.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. In the case of backward indexing, Shivani? Here we are using backward indexing. Then, how is backward indexing in this hello world? It is from -1, -2, -3, just like that. So here there is no start value. Means the first character is the start value. Okay. Here we are using only end value, stop value. Stop value is -1. So there is only one value, that means it is the stop value. There is no start value, so the first character is the start value. So h is the start value. From h we are starting, and the last value it is -1. -1 is not included in the result because it is the stop value. So what is the result, Emmanuel? It is hello world. D is not included in the result. Okay. In string slicing, we are using start, stop and step value. The start and step is optional, but we must use the stop value. So one value is there, means that is the stop value. If you are giving a colon, -1 means this -1 is the value of stop. So stop is the -1 value. If only one value, that is stop value. So we are starting, there is no start value. So we are starting from the first value. First character. So h is there, all the values. Incrementation is also, it is by default it is 1. So it is incremented by 1. So h is displayed first, after that e displayed, then l, l, o, w, o, r, l. Stop value it is -1. This -1 is not included in the result. So this d is eliminated, or D is removed. So the result include only hello WORL. Is it clear, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dia?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Any doubt regarding this slicing? No. Okay, okay, Gauri.
Now, what will be the output if you write -1 as a start value and we don't write anything as a stop value?
Stop value, we must write stop value. If it is not stop value, then that means -1 D is displayed. Okay, if the string it is, the displayed value is string -1 colon, then it will display D. But we cannot, I think we cannot avoid this stop value. We want to give some values, like if it is greater value also, then we want to write this value. -1 colon 20 or something like that. 20 is not there, but it will display the only character D. Okay. -1 is the start value, then it will display -1 only, that is D only. Then any doubt?
Ma'am, what if -1 to -3?
-1 to -3. That is -1, -2. That is the result is LD. -3 is not including. Okay.
Ma'am, so the value won't be backwards, right?
Yes, value is backward, but we are writing LD. Okay. The indexing counting is from -1, -2, -3, just like that. But the result we display like this, the normal string like that. Okay. LD, not DL. Okay. If it is -3 to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, 8, 9, 10. It is -2, 11. -1 to -11 means it will display the whole string. Hello world. If it is -10, it will display HE. H is not displayed. ELLO WORLD. Because,
Ma'am,
okay.
are we allowed to write -1 to 4?
-1 to
4.
4. -1 to 4. I want to check it in the compiler. I think -1 to 4. I think OWORLD. ORL. OWORL. That is starting from Oh, it is starting from minus 1 to 4, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, minus 1 to 4 means minus 1 to 4 it is O. Okay, O, W, O is not included. So it is W, O, R, L, D. 4 is not included because the stop value is 4. Then W, O, R, L, D.
So, ma'am, we are allowed to use both forward and backward indexing.
I want to check it. Okay, I will check it and say. Okay. Okay. So these are the some common questions from chapter 2, and on Saturday you study the first chapter. We have a revision based on the first chapter. Okay, I will give some MCQ questions based on first chapter. Okay. Then next period we will start the third chapter. It is function. Okay.